Australia, a magical land, amazing, unique wildlife seen nowhere else on earth. I'm Wayne Caveman Keys. Welcome to the Next Stop Wildlife Show Australia, and together we're going to explore some of the mad bushland out in Western Sydney and beyond. So come with us and let's explore this mad place. Today we're at Nurragingy Reserve, and Nurragingy Reserve, it's a dune side on Knox Road. The best way to get to Nurragingy is probably from one of the two arterial roads, which are the M4 and the Great Western Highway. So you turn off the Great Western Highway on the Doonside Road, you'll follow that all the way around to a railway overpass, and just on the left, after the overpass, that's Nurragingy Reserve, Knox Road, Doonside. So if you want to get out there, not too hard to get to there. But without further ado, let's get out, let's explore the mad bushland at Nurragingy Reserve. So many gorgeous reptiles, birds and all sorts of other creatures. So without further ado, let's get out on the next stop and see what we can find today. If you like the show, subscribe, press that little subscribe for us. Really appreciate that too, guys. Let's get out of here, eh? Our first stop today is down at Snake Alley, Nurragingy Reserve, and that's our first stop. And here we have a beautiful red-bellied black snake catching some of the first rays of the day out in the beautiful Cumberland Plains woodlands. Absolutely magic. Good, thick, solid snake too, this fella. And just zoom in a bit closer, give us a look at that mad, beautiful looking head. Gorgeous chestnut, all up that nose, all over those scales. Magnificent snake. And just be getting some heat in through the body. And he'll be hunting for some frogs down here, that's for sure. They love the frogs. That's why he'll burrow his head underneath that leaf litter there and hunt around, sift around for any little frogs underneath the leaf litter. One of their favourite foods, the red belly. One of the reasons they're always pretty close to the water systems. Plenty of frogs. Mad red belly, thick, solid specimen, eh? Sitting in ambush. Here we have the red-bellied black snake. And he'd be there hunting for frogs underneath the leaf litter by the side of the creek. He's an ambush predator. He'll wait there until he can see any small movement, and then he'll be in hot pursuit, and he'll track down the frog with the magic Jacobson's organ and that forked tongue. The beautiful chestnut scales on the end of the nose. One amazing snake, the red belly, the Cumberland Plains, Australia. Just out getting some sun, getting some warmth into that body with those big solar panels. Oh, check this out. Beautiful red belly. It's down in the grass. Let's try and get in a bit closer for you. Oh, mad. Oh, beautiful snake out on the Cumberland. There he goes, sneaking up on this beautiful red-bellied black snake. What a magic animal, look at this guy. Out on the Cumberland Plains, the beautiful red belly. And look at this guy. Mad red belly. Oh, this is awesome. And I'm right up close to this guy. Oh, this is insane. Just get a little bit closer. See if I can. Oh, look at that. Mad red belly. He was further up on the track at a place they call Snake Alley last year, but this guy seems to move down a bit. Probably too much traffic in that area. He's always on the path. No worries, mate. Have a good day, eh? And as the local takes off down the track on his bike, he probably thinks I'm absolutely insane, filming up from so close. He stopped his push bike and got off and had a look, asked if I was okay. Mad red belly down at Nurragingy Reserve. A beautiful sheen off the scales. Magic solid looking red belly too. They're an amazing snake. Moving off now. Up towards me. Seem to attract these guys. Here, coming right towards me. It's almost at my feet now. See him? Up he comes. Right towards me. Moves off into the thick of grass. Just wandering along, probably having a bit of a hunt for frogs. Oh, there's the red belly. How cool is this? Coming right towards me. Is it mad? Magic snake, and out he comes. Not shy, but coming right close to me. How mad's that? Red-bellied black snake. Making his way right in front of me across the path. Looking right at me. That is awesome. Beautiful. Making his way off into the grass. Likes that wetland section here. No doubt he'll make his way down into this ponds. Sitting there at the moment. Check this mad brown snake out. Look at this guy. How beautiful is he? What an amazing sight. The eastern brown snake, the second most deadly snake in the world. And as I film him, he comes right my way. He makes his way through the grass. You can see that camouflage, just majestic, magical camouflage. You can almost hardly see this guy. That's what makes these guys so deadly. You could easily tread right on top of one of these beautiful eastern brown snakes. And that would be fatal, because these guys are fierce. Oh, look at those gorgeous gold shimmering eyes of the majestic eastern brown snake of Australia, face to face with one of the massive predators out on the Cumberland Plains. Gorgeous snake, eastern brown snake. Another brown snake, unbelievable, mad. Yeah, another brown snake. This is a bit bigger, this one. Big brown snake. Way down through the grass here. An absolute ripper. What a mad looking brown snake. And that's a big solid brown snake, this one too. Real nice solid snake. You have to be up close to 2 metres long, this brown snake. Geez, he's a big fella. Look at him making his way up. Next stop, the beautiful Macquarie turtle, or Sydney short-necked turtle, Sydney Basin short-necked turtle as they're now known. And they're a beautiful animal out on the log, the world famous log of Nurragingy. So get down to Nurragingy and witness in all its glory the log, the world famous log of Nurragingy, an icon of the western suburbs of Sydney. Beautiful. The Sydney Basin short-necked turtle of the Cumberland, in all of its glory on the world famous log. Looking out, and that they're tasting the air, so he's a little bit concerned. He's not too bad, but yeah, you'll see the red belly there. They're an absolutely beautiful snake, and as you see, they're not going to come towards you guys or hassle you guys. So yeah, awesome. So just showing a bunch of people here. How you going, folks?
See you on the next stop.
Mad. See you on the next stop. Okay.
Gotta get it right.
Oh, good lighting on that too, eh? So next stop, I take the guys to have a look at the eastern water dragons down by the side of the log, and they just love this guy. I just was explaining to them how they can actually absorb oxygen through the water, through the skin, and they can stay under the water for up to 45 minutes to an hour. Amazing. Next stop, I had to just stop off and show them one of the lace monitors out on the Cumberland at Nurragingy. We're famous for our lace monitors at Nurragingy. There's a large number of lace monitors, the predator of the Cumberland, and they love Nurragingy. So I couldn't help but stop off and show these guys just a yearling lace monitor that I probably filmed last year emerging from his eggs in the termite nest. Nurragingy never fails to impress. Magic place. Next stop, we see the beautiful eastern crested shrike tit, and it looks like he's found some little insect there amongst the trees. He likes to peel back the bark and feed in the trees, usually somewhere by the side of the water. Okay folks, that brings us to the last stop on the Cumberland Express for this Magic Wednesday out on the Cumberland at Nurragingy Reserve. I hope you enjoyed the show. If you do enjoy the show, give us some likes and comments and press that little subscribe button. We'd really appreciate that, the support, guys. So without further ado, I'll let you get out of here, and I'm out of here too, and we'll see what we can find on the next stop tomorrow. See you guys.